Hello. In this video, I will examine the Heiken Ashi Oscillator indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator provides an oscillatory display of the Heiken Ashi indicator showing candles similar to the main candles way on the chart here. Using the same Heiken Ashi indicator, it designs an oscillator in such a way that when the Heiken Ashi candles are bullish, we have histograms with positive sizes. And
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Values in blue. And when the Heiken Ashi candles are bearish, we have histograms in red with negative values. Additionally, a moving average is also applied to these histograms, which can be adjusted in the input settings. The way to get signals from this indicator is such that when there is a sign change from negative to positive, we can enter a buy position. And conversely, when there is a sign change from positive to negative, we can enter a sell position. In the input settings of this indicator, there is also a period for the moving average applied to these histograms, which we can adjust according to our own strategy. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.